we'll guide you through how to create a Dead by Daylight Springtrap model in Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you have the latest version installed, as newer features can greatly enhance your workflow. Start by going to the File menu and selecting New to create a new project. Next, you'll want to import reference images of Springtrap to ensure accuracy in your modeling. Go to the Images tab and click on Reference, then load your images. Position your reference planes in the X, Y, and Z axes to give you a solid blueprint to work from. Now, switch to the modeling workspace at the top of Blender to begin sculpting. Use the Add menu to insert a basic mesh like a cube or sphere, which you can then manipulate into the shape of Springtrap's head and body. Use the sculpt tools such as Grab, Smooth, and Inflate to refine the model, paying attention to details like Springtrap's damaged appearance and animatronic features. For finer details, switch to Edit mode where you can adjust vertices and edges for more precision. To create the textures, switch to the Shading workspace. Here, you can use the shader editor to add materials and textures. Import textures using the Image Texture node and connect them to the principled BSDF shader for realistic results. You can use the UV editing workspace to unwrap the model, which ensures textures map correctly. Once the model is shaped and textured, head to the Render Properties tab and select Cycles for high-quality rendering, adjusting the light settings to highlight Springtrap's details. Finally, do a test render to ensure everything looks good and make adjustments as needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.